Welcome back to Yates American J180 restoration. Today we're going to knock all the rust off of the table rolls and find they're still pretty rough and get them remachined, and then finally reassemble them with the bearings. I'll clean up these rollers now, and they are like really rusty. So I'm going to take a saucer brush to them, try to knock off the heavy rust. To hold the rollers while I wire brush them, I made a quick and dirty fixture holding it. Well, despite the shiny surface of that completed roll, it is still very rough, so I'm going to take some steps to get the surface remachined. I'm over at my friend Dick Yates, and we're going to turn these lower table rollers. Some time ago I turned this plug, and this plug is kind of a press fit in one end of the tube, and that will be supported by the tailstock, and we'll turn a new surface. Okay, we're ready to start cleaning this up. So this is the first pass. This is how it's looking so far. Well, it's just cutting fluid. I'll probably take a real light cleanup pass after this pass. So this is after the first pass, and I think we'll be able to just take another pass of 2.5 thousandths, 5 thousandths on the radius, or on the diameter, and we'll be good. Here we're starting the second pass, we're just taking 5 thousandths off the diameter. Well, this is looking really good. I could probably use that surface just like it is, but I'm going to go ahead and polish it out just a little bit with a little flap disc I've got here, and then I'll use some Scotch-Brite on it. And here's the final finish. The first big reassembly project is going to be these table rollers. I'll need to clean up these shafts a little bit, and then we'll start putting them together. This is a little assist tool for pressing in these inner seals. So I turned this mandrel out of some oak, and it fits over the bearing, and it also slips into this bore here. I'll use it to press the bearing in. I've previously measured this rim to be a 1/2 inch above this rim here, so I'll install the bearing until it's a 1/2 inch up, and then work on the other end. I'll get the shaft in here and lined up with the pinhole. Okay, so this shaft is pinned to the bearing at the other end, and it's just loose here. So I'm going to press this bearing on until it's almost lined up with the pinhole, but not quite. And that'll give us a chance to measure the shaft and see if it's centered to the tube. So this shaft is pretty well centered just the way it is. I think I'm just going to press this bearing in a little bit further to line up the pinhole, and then we'll put the pin in. You don't want to go too far because then you'll end up having to undo everything and pull the bearings back out. Use this drill rod kind of as a test. Oh, that went way too far. Nope, actually that is just perfect. Here are the completed table rollers.